Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Nissan Leaf windshield wipers. First, ensure your vehicle is parked securely with the ignition off. You will need new wiper blades, which are typically available in various sizes, and a soft towel to protect your windshield. Identifying the correct blade size for your specific Nissan Leaf model is a crucial first step. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process, saving you time and effort. To begin, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back down. Next, locate the small release tab or button where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the hook. Once the old blade is removed, carefully lower the wiper arm back down to avoid any accidental damage to your windshield. Now take your new wiper blade and carefully slide it onto the wiper arm's hook. You should hear a distinct click, indicating it is securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it is firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Once secured, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Repeat these straightforward steps for the second wiper blade on your Nissan Leaf. After installing both new blades, it is time for a quick test. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their operation to ensure they move smoothly and provide a clear, streak-free view. For best visibility and safety, it is generally recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months. Keeping your windshield clean also significantly extends blade life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.